AMC has a new leader! Before we get into this video, please help out my channel by smashing that like button and hit the subscribe so that you can get the most updated content. Guys, this is great news for AMC. Adam Aron, who's currently the CEO of AMC, has also been named as the chairman of the board. This is definitely going to help AMC in the long run, because this is going to give him some more power and authority to do whatever he sees fits that will help AMC in the future. This in turn will allow him to make executive decisions, and so far, he's been helping Ape Nation. Check out the news and also hear what the analyst on Trader TV Live has to say about it.
So we come into big news once again for AMC, making moves in the pre-market after some executive changes, guys. We'll show you the headline here to start. They named current CEO Adam Aron also chairman. There was also a couple of members that were involved in that Wanda Group. So China's Wanda Group earlier in the year sold a large chunk of their holdings of AMC's. So a couple of their members that were on the board departed. But the bigger news, obviously, Adam Aron, CEO of AMC, being named chairman. This instills more confidence, obviously, the board giving into Aron, guys. What do we think overall, AMC? I mean, 2 days in a row here, pretty strong.
Yeah, I mean, look, you had that wipeout bottom that we turned around from in there yesterday, and Aron getting the nod for full control. Like, remember, he's absolutely embraced this the movement and sort of saying, I work for you because of the retail traders, and that's 80% of the shareholders. So that's got to be seen as a positive sign. It was a wild trading action yesterday. Look, when you had that wipeout bottom that I'm talking about here, and then you get down to like 30. It was one of those things where the floodgates started to open up when it couldn't hold that 40 level, right? So you had some panic in there, and then once you make that secondary push, you get a double bottom and starting to go. It would have been almost any catalyst was going to give some strength to the stock in here today. So I love the fact that it's a company that has at least picked a direction here, and they're doubling down on that where they believe they have strong leadership. At the end of the day, most of this is about price action. It is about the squeezes. It is about those that will hold on to this and not sell their stock. So, from a long-term standpoint, there's still a lot of things that would have to happen fundamentally. But when it comes to the pure price action here, now obviously the shorts were at least running to the hills a little bit today, Sean, so far in the day.
Look, I think that's the big story today, obviously, is being named chairman of the board. But, the big story, the bigger story for me really is just technically we bounced off 31 a couple times. And then we had the story about AMC putting some of the money to work now and buying more theaters. They got a few locations there in LA that are really popular. So they're sort of putting some of this money that they've done raising capital and things like that back into the stock. So I think that's pretty important. They're trying to build up, a bigger base, a bigger audience, more opportunities to go. So we've cracked over that 50-period moving average. I like that. I've had a couple longs today. Long here, that's a $1.75 winner. Long here again, parred out, and then another $1.82 winner. I don't even look short yet today. That was a mistake early on. Covered, went long, and then obviously right to the upside. So we'll look to buy back some of these dips. But hey, look, AMC, we talked about it going red to green today, and that's exactly what it did. So AMC continues to amaze a lot of traders. And look, not only is this a short squeeze possibility, there's naked shorts, there's a lot of that stuff happening as well. We've talked about that before, but not only that, there's, it held. Like, this was a great opportunity for everybody that was hating on AMC to get completely destroyed, or sorry, them to be right, but all the longs to be destroyed all the way downside. That does not happen. It gets defended here at 31. Whether or not that's retail or not defending that, who knows? But that's a great level, and now it's straight to the upside. Realistically, man, 55 to 60 here is not out of the question with better fundamentals and just things changing. And we know how much Ape Nation likes Adam Aron. So that's going to continue to be the story, in my opinion.
That's going to do it for this video. Let me know what your thoughts are. Leave a comment down below. Smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel.